If you want to turn on or off the do not disturb mode on your iPhone, I can walk you through those easy steps, but also walk you through how to prevent it from automatically turning on its own at a certain point in the day. Let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is you can swipe down from the top right. You'll be able to see your focus mode. That's usually right under where the airplane mode and Wi-Fi, etc. You can see I have YouTube turned on. What you're going to do to access that do not disturb menu is you're going to press and hold on it. You can see when you press and hold, it brings up a screen that looks like this. It says do not disturb, sleep. I have a YouTube mode, focus mode, and you might have some other ones like driving. Now, if you have do not disturb turned on, you'll see it looks like this. It is light with a moon around it. So to toggle it off, all you need to do is tap on it, and this will disable that do not disturb. Let me put it back on YouTube and walk you through exactly how to prevent it from automatically turning on in the future. To do that, we're going to head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down from here, tap on Focus midway down. And on here, if Do Not Disturb is turned on, you'll see the little on button next to it. In my case, it's turned off, but let's tap on Do Not Disturb and then scroll down from here. You might see that there's a schedule. In my case, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. It will automatically turn on. If you don't want it to do that, you can just toggle it off or choose to delete the schedule as well. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I really hope this video helped you out and made your life a little easier.